Kyte. It's tax day, and this post office is going nuts. This is your April 2012 accounting update.
All right, the next guy tonight, everybody's favorite accountant. Please pay together for my good friend, Greg Kyte.
Thank you. Good evening. I am Greg Kyte, and I'm here to fill you in on what happened in the last month in the accounting profession that may have slipped through the cracks. First off, gotta point this out, every year seems like Easter always falls right around tax time, and the reason why is because God rose his son from the dead to show the world his love, and because not even God wants to lose a dependency exemption. Think it through, Mormons! The highest honor in the accounting profession was bestowed upon the chairman of the AICPA's Tax Simplification Committee, probably because the tax code is so damn simple now. I know. I would have gone to the awards banquet, but I was a little too busy being a qualified intermediary for a Section 1031 like-kind exchange where the livestock that was being exchanged, it was the same gender, so it was okay, but the fair market value wasn't equal, which resulted in quite a bit of me. You may not, I got a lot to get through. You may not know this, but alimony is taxed really weird. Alimony is taxable to the recipient of said alimony, but it's deductible for adjusted gross income for the payer of alimony. Arguably, you get better tax treatment for paying alimony than you do for your charitable giving, which is a total kick in the crotch if your wife ran away with a Mormon missionary. Think it through! Okay, and now, even that being said, I have to say, generally it's still considered bad form to write in the memo line of your alimony check, pay tax on that bitch, not cool. Unemployment, did you know unemployment, your unemployment check, you gotta pay taxes on unemployment. What kind of dick move is that by the US government? It's like, oh, poor thing, you got laid off, here, have some money. Whoa, not all of it, you selfish prick. Have you heard the phrase, justice is blind? Do you know what that means? That means everyone is treated equally under the legal system of the United States, except blind people. They get a higher standard deduction. Did you know that? They get a higher standard deduction. I don't see why, and blind people don't see why. And it's not fair. It's not fair to other people with disabilities, okay? As soon as the people with Tourette's find that out, they're going to be like, and this time they're going to mean it. Okay? And the reason the blind have a higher standard deduction is because you don't mess with the blind lobby. They got a powerful lobby. They got dogs. They got canes. They're totally immune to pepper spray. I mean, I'm kind of going out of an assumption on the last one, but I think it's reasonable. There's a new e-file mandate. If you're a tax preparer and you prepare 11 or more tax returns, you are required to electronically file all of those tax returns. And if you're a tax preparer that files less than 11 tax returns, you suck balls as a tax return preparer. It's kind of a volume business. I'm going to leave you with this. The Treasury Inspector General of the Tax Administration, pretty badass dude. He released a report that said that the IRS is not effective in ensuring the accuracies of electronically filed returns. So let me get this straight. My blind ass with my 10 dependents and my $15,000 worth of annual alimony payments, that the IRS can't ensure the accuracy of return. Thanks for the heads up. It's because I'm trying to pretend like I'm lying up. Forget it. Guys, thanks so much. I'm Greg Kyte. Thanks for playing along.
So, you can follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channel, listen to my podcast. You made it. Congratulations.
Damn good hush puppies, Bob.